Hey, it's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures, and I'm going to show you a little handy thing I have. It's this rig right here. I don't know if you can get a good look at it, but it's for broom handles. You mount it on your wall, you stick your broom handle in. Well, when I'm on the road, I always find I need a flashlight. So I like these type of little flashlights. They're small, they got a fair amount of power to them. You know, it gives me something to see when I'm in the van, and if I go quick outside. Now I have more powerful ones, and they will mount also. But this is the neat thing. If you take this, it's hard to do it with one hand, but look at that. Holds it perfect. So I'm going to show it mounted. I already punched one hole through, and I'll just show you. I just screw it in, and I'll show you how it mounts and what it looks like. Put this glass screw in, and I'm sure everybody knows how to mount a screw in. Now I don't put them real tight, I just snug them down because we are dealing with plastic. And now I can just snap my flashlight in. And there, it's not going anywhere. If I want to take it out, what I've learned to do is just I push on one side. Let me show you that again. I think I moved there. See? So now I have my flashlight mounted, secure, and I actually use this in the house too because I always want to know where my flashlight is. Now the little bigger ones, I got a Bell and Howell. I actually kind of like that flashlight, but again, there it is. It's mounted. I want to take it out. I just push on this. Okay, kind of rolled up on it, and it's out. Nice secure bracket. I never have to worry about my flashlights going flying. But one thing I will tell you, mount this where you're not going to hook yourself on it when you got your seats up or whatever. You know, if you're using the van on everyday use, put them somewhere where you're not going to get tangled up with them in case of a collision or storage or whatever. But like I say, this is in kind of an inconspicuous place. Anyway, I have a few of them mounted around the van. So there you go. Keeps your flashlights in place. You always know where they are. And you can mount them basically anywhere if you don't mind a few holes and things. Hope that helped. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. We can always use the subscriptions. You guys take care and be safe on the road.